it's Pracheta. Welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I'm really sorry for not being so long in YouTube. एंड कुछ रीजंस था, मतलब मेरे बर्थडे था, तबीयत भी खराब थी, वेदर बहुत ख़राब हो चुकी थी एंड मैनी मोर, दैट्स वाई. बट अभी से मैं एक्टिव रहूँगी एंड इट्स दुर्गा पूजा लुक नंबर 1. इसके बाद भी 2 या 3 तो आएंगे ही, तो वो लुक को देखने के लिए मेक श्योर यू आर सब्सक्राइबिंग माई चैनल एंड फॉरगेट टू क्लिक द बेल बटन. Now without any further ado, let's jump on the video. If you are liking my this look, don't forget to I know you already subscribed, watch till end.
For primer, I am using Lakme Absolute Blur Primer. Taking a Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. This blender is also from Maybelline. And tada! I have 2 concealers, Swiss Beauty one and Wet n Wild, but I am using the Wet n Wild because it has a really good coverage. This concealer application technique will help you to make your face look lifted. Again, I am blending my concealer with this blender. By the way, if you guys want to blend your foundation and concealer with brush, you can definitely go with that. And you can see this. For setting powder, I am using Blue Heaven's translucent powder. I will mention the link in description box. Filling my brows as usual and brushing it up with a spoolie. Here comes the eye makeup time. I take a bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics and applying it in my crease with a fluffy blending brush. Taking the Baby Got Peach eyeshadow, just took this yellowish shade and applying it on my full eyelid. Now taking this peachy shade and applying it on the inner corner side of my eyelid. Blend, blend, blend. Now taking this dark orangey shade and applying it on the outer side of my eyelid and gonna blend that in my lid. I mean, you can see how I am doing this. Now just taking this golden shimmery shade and you can see the pigmentation of it and you can see the area I am applying it. And it looks so pretty. Now I am just dusting off the excess powder from my face with a big powder brush. Taking the Parky shade and applying that on my lower lash line. Just taking a kajal, it's Lakme Iconic Kajal. Applying a little bit more. Here comes the final part, blending the kajal and giving it a smudged look. And I can take the Parky shade and just applying it under the line of kajal and it looks so beautiful. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Colossal Mascara. You guys always have said why you use this one every video, cause this is my favorite. I just use one coat and you can see it. Again taking the bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics. You guys can see in which areas I am bronzing my face, but if you don't like bronzing your face, you can definitely skip it. It's up to you. I think nose is kind of important thing to bronze, especially for me. Again taking the Baby Got Peach eyeshadow and mixing all the peach and orangish color and applying it as a blush. For highlighting my face, I am taking Maybelline's Metallic Chrome Highlighter in the shade of Molten Gold. If you have a dusky skin tone, you can definitely go with this. It's amazing for dusky skin tone. don't forget to highlight your inner corner. Now I'm getting confused. Okay, so I'm taking Lakme's this red lipstick. I really forgot the name and the shade. I will mention that on my description box. It's really a beautiful shade. And this is the makeup looks like. I'm just getting ready. Ta-da! If you guys like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace.